I want to show you the laziest way to create t-shirt designs that sell. I'm going to pair this with a new feature from a popular t-shirt design app that I use all the time called Kittl, and the two together are going to help us replicate best-selling designs in high-demand niches on websites like Amazon and Etsy, the #1 and #2 destinations for print-on-demand products online. So let's get to it. So to get started, we're going to be using Kittl for our t-shirt design. Now we could design from scratch. We could use their pre-made templates. We could do whatever we want. Now I tend to favor the AI because it gives us basically what we want on demand with any customizations. That's not what inspired this video though. I want to look at best-selling t-shirts and use their title and potentially, tags or descriptions or bullet points as the AI prompts. Now this is not pre-planned. We're going to do this in real time together. One that I think could be fun is like the kindergarten T-Rex design potentially could be a good fit. So I'm literally just going to see how can we do this as lazy as possible. I'm going to copy the title and then let's go back on over to Kittl and use it as a prompt. So I'm going to open the AI image generator. I'm going to paste it as a prompt. So long kindergarten, graduation class 2024, dinosaur. I'm going to remove the word kids and put T-Rex just so it's a little bit more specific. Under clip art styles, I'm going to click t-shirt graphic and then I'm going to generate image. So check this out. It generated a nice big T-Rex with the student graduation hat on, very similar to, the bestseller that we saw in Amazon merch. I can go ahead and click this, click AI background remover. And what do you know, AI removes the background for us. I can even zoom in if I want to. And Kittl has a new eraser tool, which I know everybody's been waiting for a long time, myself included. I can go ahead, tap E on my keyboard, and anything I want to erase, like if I want to erase the foot, I can do that. But something might be more practical would be like, oh, I think the shadow underneath there or the border is a little bit too thick. I'm holding left click and I just thinned out that border underneath his foot. I can do it on the left claw as well and right here as well. All right, and boom, just like that, I have erased a little bit of that. You can change the thickness over here on the left-hand menu as well above my head. So if I want to make it really big, I can basically erase like his whole head if I want to, stuff like that. And one thing too, if you hold shift, you can erase in a straight line and only in straight lines. So that was a diagonal line. You can do a vertical line, horizontal line, etc. Just wanted to show you guys that as well. And all we're missing is some text. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click text, pop this out. I like the way this font looks that says adventure. It's actually the Bangers font family. That is what it's called. I will make it a little bit bigger, change the text to say so long. We'll widen it so that everything is centered. Perfect. Duplicate it. Down here, we will change this text to say kindergarten. Boom. So long kindergarten. How about that? I think it looks pretty darn good. All right, back to the drawing board. Let's go through this process again and find some inspiration. I actually really like how this looks right here. It says Giants Causeway, County Antrim. Never been, but I love that landscape for inspiration. So let's copy this title and run it back over to Kittl. We've cleared our artboard. I'm going to go to the image generator and I'm going to paste that. And I'm just going to add the word landscape. Under image styles, why don't we try to find one that we think will be a good fit? Maybe photography or retro photo, maybe? I don't know. Let's do photography first and see what it comes up with. So I ran the prompt twice. I actually prefer the retro photo output. That's what you see here. Behind it is the photography output in terms of the style that we used for the AI prompt. Not that I don't like it, but I think the retro photo actually lends itself to being more, t-shirt graphic style. And this is showing the versatility of Kittl's AI, guys. Not all niches need to be like the first one we did, where we just had a freestanding element, single element that was the T-Rex paired with text. That is probably my preferred method to go about it. But there are niches like these landscape niches where it makes sense potentially to just go for a full, rectangle that represents a whole graphic, right? And you can embed the text in the graphic as well as they did in this example. I don't think we necessarily have to, but if we wanted to, we definitely could. We could also just kind of move this down and maybe put the text above it if we wanted to as an idea. All right, how about one more example? We're back over here on Podly looking at best-selling merch t-shirts. How about another school-related theme? This says preschool, gobble squad, cute turkey, Thanksgiving, teacher. I'm going to copy the title. We go back over to Kittl, go to their AI image generator. I'm just going to paste that under image styles. How about the kawaii? I get some great results with this one, and let's see what it comes up with. I ran it a few times, and here are the 3 outputs. I get to choose which one of these I like best. I'm going to go with this one up here in the top right corner. Now again, with this graphic selected, I can click the eraser icon or hit E on my keyboard. I can erase manually if I choose to, or you know what I can do? I can use the AI background remover. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. That is a nice, easy way of giving us a turkey graphic that was inspired by this t-shirt right here, preschool gobble squad. We know Thanksgiving's coming later in the year. I didn't have to work my brain at all to come up with this prompt. You guys already saw, I just copy pasted the title, and we're well on our way to creating a shirt that can compete with the best of them, whether we want to go ahead and just directly use the text in this shirt, preschool gobble squad, or come up with our own version. Obviously with the text tool, we have a bunch of pre-assembled text that looks good, you know, contrasting different font families together up here. Or what I like to do typically is just go to the decorated fonts right here. You can click show all and look exclusively at these font families combined with various aspects of manipulating the fonts, adding specific text styles, etc. For a preschool one, we might do something that's very kind of simple. Like this one says milk and honey. I could just go ahead and say preschool, whether I want it to be all caps or not. You know, we can play around with that as we go. But so I've just got it saying preschool, and I can just duplicate that. And what did it say? Squad. We could just say preschool squad, right? Preschool turkey squad, gobble squad. And then if I want to match the color of the text to the color of the graphic, I'm going to use the image vectorizer. I'll change the colors to 16. I'm going to click vectorize image. One note, the eraser tool does not work on vector images as of recording this video. In the future, it likely will. I heard that Kittl is working on this feature. Just wanted to make that clear. So when it vectorizes, now we can access the colors used in the turkey graphic when we want to change the color of our text up here. So I can go ahead and now it can recognize the various different colors from the document itself. So I got the orange, I got the brown, etc. It might make sense to just honestly redo the duplication right there. So preschool, gobble, whatever we could do, gobble squad this time. So preschool, gobble, and I will duplicate that. And down here, say squad. So preschool, gobble squad. We've got the colors from our AI generated graphic inspired by a bestseller. And all we had to do was literally copy the title into Kittl's AI image generator. We ran it 3 times to get one that we liked. We used the kawaii style here, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, it's never been easier to create and compete with best-selling t-shirts. And when I say t-shirts, of course, I just mean print-on-demand designs in any product type or niche with the help of Kittl, Kittl AI, Kittl erasers, Kittl's pre-built preset text presets. Of course, they've got design templates as well that you can kind of mix and match, whether you want to use the graphics that are already in there or generate your own AI-based graphics. Hopefully you found this helpful. Who doesn't love doing things the lazy way? Because, hey, you don't get extra money for spending 10 times longer or working 10 times harder when it comes to selling print-on-demand products. So I like to keep things simple, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Check out Kittl, linked in the description. And I'll see you guys soon with another new video.